So our goal here is to find the queen. So there, I can track the queen in the right upper side. So there you go. I need to be close to the first rank and to the second and third rank. The objection here is to attack them, harass them, so that once they are evicted, you can eat the body or the candies. There you go. So where's the queen? The queen, you can recognize the queen because the queen is the one wearing a crown. Oh, there you go. There she is, beautiful. Where are you, beautiful? Where are you, beautiful? I need to harass you. Oh, I'm so sorry, my queen, but I need to really get this. By consuming this sweet chocolate gems, chocolate, this will help me on the ranking. Now I'm on the 5th rank. Okay, now I need to find the one who replaced the queen. In doing so, I need to track. Oh, there. Oh, there. I need to go back. So you need to consume the sweets. It will make you longer, so that later, if you are long enough, you can tangle them, you can entangle them, you can go around them. Oh, there's the queen. We need to do our thing. I know I'm still short, but at least I need to do my thing. Oh. I need to go out. There you go. Where is she? Oh. The treat. You need to consume that. Okay. Oh. I need to get this. Yes. Oh, there's more. Yes. Okay. If you see somebody's who's long as this. Oh. Okay. I will go this way. Oh my. You need to shorten the space so that he can't move too much. Yes, and once. Oh, yeah. Again, we need to look for the queen, the rank number 1. That's the main goal. Okay, there. I will go right, upper, right side, upper. Oh yeah, there you go. There she is. Hey, beautiful. So, doing our thing, we need to capture the queen. Oh my gosh. I think she's so big. I need to change my plan. Oh. Somebody's getting into me. Oh. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, see that? You just need to consume it all. That made me rank number 1 now. So I am the target, right? So what I will do, I will spread my body so that I can just control the space for them to move. The target here is to harass the bigger ones because it will give you more and more candies to consume. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah. I'm enjoying this. I already earned 1,600,000 candies. More candies, please. So you need to look for this ball, this magnet. Okay, these shoes, I don't know what is the shoes for. If you know what's the use of the shoes, kindly comment down below so I may know it. There you go. Oh, I think I'm long enough. So we will find the ranking second. We need to eliminate the strong ones because once I die and I get eliminated, the second rank, whoever is he or she would replace my throne. Okay, so what we need to do is to look for that second rank, whoever he is, whoever she is. Oh, there you go. I can see now. Maybe this is she. Yeah, this is she because look at the right upper. That's the tracker. Okay. Although I am not that fast enough, I believe. Oh, she's too long. I can't do this. I need to change plans. Oh, you need to be careful because there are this. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's too long. Maybe if I will go this way. Okay, we will try to capture her body. Oh. We will try. Maybe she knew about my plan. Oh. No. Passing through. Oh yeah, I can see my tail now. I can see my tail. Where is it? Oh, there you go. Look, I captured the ranking second, and the plan is to eliminate the second stronger contender. Oh, there you go. Have you seen it? Have you seen that? That's the trick. It made me 1.4. Oh, now I'm 1.4. I don't know what's that. What? 1.4. 1,425,000. Maybe that's gems that I consumed. Again, if you know the answer, just comment it down because I'm really new to this game. Oh, there you go. I am really enjoying this. You guys can download this. Oh, this just relieved my stress. So the thing here is if you run too fast, it consumes your gems, your no, you have to be careful not to step on this. Oh no, I need to pass through. Can you see that? Now I'm seeing my tail again, and I captured this one again, and I will. Oh, what happened? There you are. Look what I just did. Again, I captured the rank second. I consumed the chocolates, and now I am 1.5, and again we will look for the second rank. Oh no, where is okay, where is the second rank? Again, I need to look at the tracker so that I can find them. Oh, I am near the third rank. Who is the ranking third? Okay. Maybe I need to go right upper. Maybe this is the second rank. No, I just need to. Oh, I need to that. I'm so sorry. So the third rank got eliminated. So I'm still the top one. I am still the queen. I am still wearing the crown, and I need to look for the second rank or the third rank again. You know, guys, eliminating the strong contenders, it will give you more candies to consume. Okay, I can see it. I guess. Oh, yeah. Oh, they are two. Oh. I'm really enjoying this. I need to be careful because there are little tiny contenders around that I need to. Oh, this is fascinating. Look, I can see my tail now. I need to entangle them inside of my body. Oh, where's my tail? There you go. Closer and closer. That. I locked them in. Alright. I locked them in. Oh, yeah. That's it. And we need to shorten the space so that they cannot move. Oh, that's the plan. You see that? I am really enjoying this, guys. Look at that. I made it, right? Okay. I believe I am near the second rank. Maybe that's him, that's her. Whoever he is, whoever she is. Okay, let's play it. Let's encircle. Let's tangle them once again. So I need to pass through. The closer I can get to the body. Okay. Oh, I need to turn. Oh, okay. I can pass through this. She's moving too fast also. She doesn't want to be entangled in my body. Anyway, change of plan. Just consume these freebies. Oh, I am now 2,600,000. Oh, okay. You can see it now. Those are tinies. I need to focus on my goal. Eliminate the strong ones. Find them. No, I'm going too far. You know what? Moving too much, using too much of your speed will consume your gummies, your sweets. So always stick to the plan. Eliminate the strong ones. There you are. Maybe I can try it one more time. Oh, yeah. Oh, careful. Oh, where's your tail? I cannot go through. Oh, maybe that's the plan. I get it. Okay. Look at my tail. My tail is in there. I can lock them again. Okay. Lock them. Lock them. Capture them. Control the space so they cannot move too much. They cannot move around. Once they bump into your body, they'll be done. Once terminated, you eat the sweets, you gain gems, you gain everything. Because look, this one is bigger. I guess this one is the ranking second, I believe. Once I consume the second stronger contender and I consume the yummies, the goodies, the sweets, maybe I can reach 3 million after this. You just need to be very careful encircling it from the outside to the inside. Oh, there. I can consume it all. Now I'm 3 million.4. Continue, look for the second strong contender. I will go left because there you can see that the green that is me, the number 2 is the ranking second. You need to find that and to always do our plan, because I believe since I am the ranking first, I am longer, I am bigger, so capturing them is an advantage. Okay, just be careful because these sweet small contenders, maybe they can go a bit faster than I am. Oh yeah, so there you are. So this is me. I will try to capture you by doing this. Oh, oh no. I guess this is too long. I will just need to try it again. Oh, where is it? Oh, don't bump in me. Don't bump in me. Oh, you look. See that? I terminated the second rank, and these little bodies help me consume it. So now I'm 3 million.1. So we will still try to consume these things because I've been running too much. My gems are being consumed. Okay. Oh no. See that? That's fast. Oh yeah. I intended to do that, Try to consume these big candies. Oh, you're too small. I will not waste much of my time. Just entangle them. Oh, who is this? Oh, it's trying to capture me there. Techniques, tactics. Yeah, I got you. I will try to. Oh, see? That's it and that's it. Just keep doing it. Oh no. This is so clever. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm 3.1. See? A while ago I was 3.2 million. Now I'm 3.1. Since maybe I'm too big. Oh yes. Maybe I'm too big. So that's why I am consuming just most of my goodies. My sweets. So I need to again find the strong contender so I can consume again the bigger amount of goodies. This is so crazy. Look, I will go down. I'm going down to find ranking third and ranking second. Oh, there you are. Need to be careful with these cute bodies around. They might trick me. Yeah, because some of them really move fast. They upgraded themselves already, which I haven't yet because I just started playing this. There you go. If you had the opportunity to eat those big goodies, do it. Now I'm 3 million.300. Just consume them all. Oh, yeah. Oh, who's the victim now? You look so familiar. You are the second. Oh, see that? Oh. How am I going to... Oh, that's my tail. Yeah, again. Maybe he'll get mad at me for doing this over and over again. For entangling You need to be careful of that. Because there are these instances where contenders can pass through your body. I don't know why. I consumed him. That made me 3,400,000. So. Wow. Let me look for the... Yeah. I don't know. Who's that? So, look. I can see now the third rank. Where is the third rank? The ranking third. It is a bit long one. Maybe I can play with this. See? I am consuming like 500. You can see the negative, the red one. The one with negative 5,000. Yeah. So, every time I am moving too fast, I am being detected by I see that 5,000 goodies. Because I believe I'm really big. So, yeah, we need to relax. But we need to run fast from time to time. We need to tangle this one. Oh, be careful. Oh. They are not too nice to me. They are not harassing me. See that. Need to consume that. So, the plan here is just to stay. It's just to stay. Yeah. I'm 5 million. Ano? 3,500,000. 3,500,000. There you are. Okay. What's the plan now? This is so amazing. This is so Look! I'm ranking first, but I am not wearing the crown. Did you observe that? Why is that? I believe I'm ranking first. But where's my crown? Okay. Let's take it slow. 3,524,000. Where are the second rank? So we need to go to them. Find them, play with them, attack them. Wait, yeah. Oh. I just need to eat something. This is quite big, so yeah, there you go. Once you see a bigger contender, try to attack. It will give you more good gummies. I'm going far away. Try to look for the second and third contender because in the monitoring side, the right upper, the first, the second, and the third are the only visible to track. I'm 3.6. I'm going far again. Let's eat some goodies. Let's eat some goodies. Where are they? Oh, see that? See how they tried to trick me? I'm getting closer to them. So, here they are. I will just try which one to attack. I believe I'm longer than you guys. So maybe I have an advantage. Since I am bigger, people might look. There's my tail. There's my tail. And again, I am doing my thing. Get it on, babe. Get it on, babe. Be careful. Just be careful. Get off your tail. I need to pass through. Yeah, you see that. So I consume it all. Wow. You just got evicted. So now I will look for the ranking second. There you go. There you are. Yeah, yeah. Let's just play. You know my plan. You know my plan, don't you? Oh, 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 and careful. Oh, good thing. Just got terminated the right time. Oh, oh, this is so cool. Do your thing, baby. Do your thing, thing. Oh, you need to pass through. Oh, look at that. Amazing, right? I was tricked. So this is the first time that I got eliminated. I just revived myself. So maybe now there's a lot of portion will be deducted from my earned gems. We will see. Stay tuned, guys. This is the first time that I got killed, I got terminated. So now we're back. Oh, I still wear the crown in 1,000,000.6. Okay. I still wear my crown. I got terminated earlier. You need to be very careful. The plan is working. I'm here again. Let me consume you. I'm so loving it. Yeah, there you go. From 1.6, I am now 1. Okay. Almost 1.7. Yeah. I'm here. Yep. These are some This moves really so fast. No, no. Oh, yeah. can do it again. I'm here. Yes. Oh, I did it. You are again inside of my cotton candy body. Oh, be careful, be careful. Uh-oh. Yeah, get closer. Closer, closer. Try to go closer, closer. Inner circle, so you can move. Yes. Okay. Ha, that's it. 1.8. 1.8. There you go. I'm still wearing the crown. Goodies. You guys, if you think you are enjoying this, comment down below if you've already played this one. Look for the rank 2nd and 3rd. Play with them. Consume them. Crush them. There. I can recognize you. Oh! Wrong turn. Wrong turn. Go away. Go away. That's not a good idea. Instead of entangling you, maybe you'll entangle me. Oh, I'm so brave. I'm so brave. Oh, you're planning to... You're planning to capture me. So I am going to... Oh, that's brave. That's my brave act. See? See? You see what has happened? Oh, I consume it all. Not even a single one was. That's so cool, right? Ha ha ha! Gummies, gummies, goodies, goodies. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay. I'm 2 million now, and I am still the rank number 1. Who are you? Who are you guys? Now you are inside. There you go. Capture, capture, consume, consume. Be stronger. I'm so fast. I can play this for 6 hours. Ah, there you are. Hey, I'm here. This is the 2nd rank. This is the one ranking 2nd. Oh. We will try to... Oh no. Oh no. Yes. Yep. Oh no. I almost died there. Look. I'm hitting my tail. That's a good... Oh! That is the thing that I told you need to be careful about. Oh, he might escape. Oh! there are three inside. Keep the space shorter. Need to be careful about those tails. Yep. Yep. There you are. So close. Need to be careful. Oh, yummy goodies, yummy goodies. I consume you all. That's 2.6. And who's this? Oh. Yeah. We need to consume this purple one. Purple one. Purple one. Oh, you just made me happier. You entangled yourself. No, there's no way out. There's no way out, baby. Oh, come closer, come closer. Come closer, come closer. This is so amazing. Oh, I'm so satisfied. Ay, let me consume you there. Oh. Who is this? Who is this? The ranking third is on the right side. The ranking third and the ranking second is on the right side. Maybe this is the one. You're moving too fast. No. I will not play with you. You're too short. Let me consume my energy to this contender. To the strong contender. Oh, oh, oh. No, 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 no. Don't block the driveway. Please don't. Oh no. They knew what they are doing. This one is trying to... Okay. I can pass through and there's my tail. You can see my tail and I'm so happy. Ha ha ha. You can't do anywhere. Ooh. Almost got me there. Yeah, you need to be careful. Oh my gosh, I almost. Oh, you consumed it. You consumed the bigger one. You guys, I killed it. And then you will just consume it like that. That's not really fair. Okay. I'm here. Oh, let me pass through. Without killing myself. Kill. Oh no, oh no, oh no, almost gone. There I can see my tail. Oh, passing through. Just don't kill me, please. Just passing. Oh, maybe she's doing what I am doing. She's doing my trick. Let me eat something. Let me eat something. Passing through, passing through. Oh no, 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 no. It's not a good idea. Passing through, passing through. Oh no. There you are. Let me play with you for a while. Let me see what you've got. Oh, there you go. I tangled you already. So let's go. Let's play. You have to surrender. Let me eat something first. 3 million. Hey, did you miss me? Yeah. 3,200,000. You guys. Oh, hello, Mr. Robot. 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 Mr. Robot got killed. Mr. Robot. Mr. Robot, you got killed. Excuse me, guys. Oh. Maybe I need to pursue you. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes, I need to... Oh, come back. Oh, damn. I believe you're mad at me already for doing this like all the time. Oh no, please don't get mad. I'm just enjoying this. Hey, Mr. Robot. Do your thing, baby girl. Do your thing. Cut it short. Captured. Yeah. 3 million. 3 million. Okay, I'm not sure if I can record this for an hour. You're so cutie. Let's go. Let's find them. Oh. Second rank and third rank are together. I need to come closer. Is this you? I guess yes. Can I pass through, Mr. Robot? Passing through. Where's your head? Oh no. There. This is so crazy. I'm unbeatable. I just died once. Been playing this for almost 45 minutes. I just revived myself for once. Been wearing this crown for 45 minutes. Oh, yummy goodies. Who's next? Where's your head? Let me see. Oh, now I'm not wearing the crown, as you can see. For some reasons, I really don't know. The second one is not wearing the crown as well. Let me pass through. Oh no. Change of plan. Yeah. Got killed. Thank you for whoever who did that. This one looks strong and long. Let me capture you there. Okay. Oh, passing through. I just did it. I did it again to you guys. I'm so sorry. You got killed. Bigger ones have bigger chocolates, see? Fighting for 3,000,000.8. Oh, let me pass through. Okay. Where's your head? Hey, it's me. Oh, don't eat that. or else I will kill you. Enjoy your stay. Oh, it's still recording. 46 minutes. This is unbelievable. Maybe that's it for now. I'm still alive. I'm still alive, guys. And I'm still ranking first.